Description: dehydrated hair needs moisture, whether fine and thin or damaged from styling. Restore hydration with MOMO Shampoo. Benefits: smooths and moisturizes dry hair for brilliant shine and total manageability. Suggested use: massage MOMO Shampoo into wet hair, then rinse. Follow with MOMO Conditioner for powerful moisture retention. MOMO Shampoo for dry, dehydrated hair. Split ends and straw-like texture are a few leading symptoms of dry, dehydrated hair. MOMO Shampoo is the first step in restoring your locks to full hydration. Apply this creamy foam, rinse, and follow with MOMO Conditioner. A professional shampoo for dry hair that brings you salon quality at home. Deep moisturization. Ingredients like melon extract enhance overall hair health, locking in moisture to give hair vitamins it needs for healthy growth, like vitamins A and C, potassium, phosphorus, zinc, and more. Softness shine. We source our Cartucheru melon extract from a small farm in Italy. With Davines Hair Care, we carefully choose ingredients in collaboration with farmers, helping to boost the local economy. Most importantly, these ingredients make hair care more natural. Gentle cleansing. Natural active ingredients and a creamy, foamy formula make cleansing a pleasant, light experience without weighing down hair. Gently cleansed hair is soft and renewed. Top reviews from the United States. Best. If your hair is somewhat frizzy, feels harsh and straw-like, you need this shampoo. It gives enough moisture to control some frizz but mostly gives enough moisture to smooth finish and shine.